Here we have two parabolas. One is nice in standard form, so you could graph that one pretty quickly because you know where the vertex is. And one is in general form, which isn't as easy to graph quickly. But you know you have two parabolas that both open up. How many solutions? We don't know yet. Okay, it could be that they intersect twice. They could be the same equation and have an infinite amount of solutions. Or they could only intersect once. Substitution works really good here because I can take equation 1 and substitute it into equation 2. So where the y is, I can substitute, right? Logically, does it make sense? If y is equal to this and y is equal to this, then these two things have to equal each other. Okay, it's quadratic equation. We need to make one side equal to 0. What do you think we should do with that x plus 2 all squared? Any ideas? We want to combine all of our like terms. Does it make sense? You might want to multiply that out. Okay, so if I multiply that out and FOIL it out, I'll get x squared plus 4x plus 4. Still have the minus 1. X squared minus 4x minus 5. Now if I bring everything to the left side to combine, you see if you subtract x squared on both sides, the x squareds like go away completely. We're going to have a 4x, and I'm going to add 4x to that, giving me 8x. And 4 minus 1 is 3, and if I add the 5 to this side. So I made one side equal to 0 because I was thinking it was a quadratic equation. But when I combine my like terms, now it's an even easier equation. How did you solve these in grade 9? To get x by itself.
Move the 8 over.
Move the 8 back over. Like, oh my goodness. We just spent all this time getting it on them. Now we have to move the 8 back over to this side and divide by 8. And we get x is equal to negative 1. We still need, right, that's not a solution, but we still need to find y. And you can go to either equation. Maybe I'll use the first one. That's minus 1 plus 2. 1. 1 squared would be 1. 1 minus 1, 0. I mean, and you could also show the work, right? If you don't like doing that much mental math in your head, this is how I would show my work. Okay. Plug in the minus 1, since it's negative 1 or negative number, I put it in brackets. Negative 1 plus 2, that's going to be 1 squared, right? It's not bad to show all of that work. And so our solution as a point, negative 1 comma 0. What's happening graphically? Can you see that both of these are parabolas? One of them you would know the vertex, one of them you would not. Can you see that they're both opening up? So we have one parabola like this. I don't know, maybe the other parabola is like this. That could be a way that they both open up and you get one solution. Maybe one was lower down, I'm not sure. Okay. Circle questions, or just question number 7.